There's no timeout. There's no timeout. Oh, man.
The other thing is I probably should have, when I get the penalty shot, I probably should have let it play out. And if they got through. But yeah, I thought.
Get back, Dave!
Registration bag is up at my camper. I will bring it back down with me. I gave you yours, right, Tyler?
Now, Wapiti.
It's so perfect. Wow. I have actually missed it. Wow. It's the alright guy. I've seen my new boat before it came home. I know, but it's a dynamite. Dynamite. Did you happen to grab PFDs for your team out of the club?
Like you said.
For your U21 ladies? Oh, no. I woke up and it was 20 after 7 and I was like, oh crap, I played at 8. I will, and you guys are playing with U21, right? At 10. Okay.
At 10?
Apparently.
I thought I knew.
That's what I thought too. No, I don't. So I have to run up and have
No, I already told me yesterday.
Morning. How are you?
oh, we got you important.
Hey. Hey, I didn't know you were coming.
What's up, Keegan?
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, I wish I had made it for the week, but I was working.
Work.
I know. Were you here for the camp?
Yep. Yeah, it was good. I didn't have much.
That might be a good thing.
Is this rolling? Can we make derogatory comments to the people on the
Yeah.
Oh, that guy.
Come on, Sasha.
Why
I
did you
know.
doing that?
Why did you miss that?
I'm gonna go get changed.
That was fun. Have this little container of like oh my god. Good point.
We'll do some of the filming. I know. I just don't want you to feel left out.
You want to zoom in, make it more like carcass stuff.
Well, I said, oh, Sash, where's the zoom? And he's like, oh no, just get the whole thing. You don't have to zoom. But, okay.
No, those are the yeah, just do it.
She's not you should be using this sign to your advantage. Did you see me?
Grab it with your hand. Get it with your hand.
Yeah.
You can just do close-ups of Sasha. Will it really come up good?
You were? No, I wasn't. I thought you off. Your time off. Cool. Shiloh got the week off.
My boss is nice, but not bad.
I worked 9 days in a row.
Don't worry, you made a lot of money. Let's go here.
Hey, Trav, get back. Get back. Watch him on your side, Dave.
Yep. Yeah, this is.
And they.
Oh, that was a foul he got away with. He landed on Brent's side. Right? Kyle was about to call it too. He was like, let's do a play-by-play calling all the fouls that happen here. Let's see what happens. Let's see all the fouls that are missed.
The real referee.
Shiloh, what number do you have?
I don't know. I can't roll it.
Doesn't she know you're number 6?
Unfortunately, my number on my PFD and the number on my helmet aren't going to match. Good thing it's a B.
Nice shot.
Yeah.
That guy wasn't even near that corner. He tossed it in. Fuck it, I'm throwing it in, man. I'm not getting close to him. Oh, Sasha took the corner. It's probably a good idea. So just chuck it to Brent. There it is.
Is that Brent, number 7?
Yeah. Oh, nice catch by Jamie. Shitty pass by Jamie. Good push.
Yeah.
Still in.
That's a foul. Good call. Good call. Good call. Actually, he called that out of bounds instead of a foul. But still, good decision on the pointing of direction, though. We're reaching over the boat there.
Uh-oh.
That's a goalie foul. He hit him after well, he still called it wrong, but that was a goalie foul. He never played the ball and still got hit after the shot, but Kyle called it right on out of bounds. So he's getting it right, but inadvertently.
He has to touch the ball to play it.
No, he has to drop his paddle and play it on the ground.
It looked like he dropped his paddle for a sec.
It doesn't matter. He's got to play the ball, though.
Yeah.
Ooh, bad pass by Brad. Oh, another turnover. You're giving it up like a cheap hooker over here. Here comes the patented inbound pass to the Brent Sasha combination.
Shiloh's team will have to change their colors.
Oh, he went opted for
changing it up.
Oh, he's throwing him off. Here comes Clint. There you go, nice move. Watch out for Clint. There you go.
Catch and
Nice shot by Brent.
and I got none of that on the video.
Good camera work here. Way to miss the entire shot.
Oh, sorry, Sasha.
Oh, something happened to Jamin. Jamin's out of the game.
Injury?
I don't know. He's back there with He should have opted for an American sub. Now look at him. He's all screwed.
I know, they should have him on their team.
Nice job.
Tom!
So they only have 5?
Tom,
Yeah.
are you playing on Shiloh's team?
Tom, I think. If you can do it. Didn't you paddle that the other day?
I paddled fishing the other day. One of these kids will have life jackets. I guess it is pretty cool. As soon as this game's over.
warm up with yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll just tell him doing it.
Nice goal.
Yeah, he did. Yeah. So just grab your paddle and go and
Just tell her that I told you.
She's right there. She's right there.
Just tell her you're getting in her boat.
I asked if you wanted to do the camera.
Yeah, but I didn't know that you wanted me to do the camera because you do shitty work.
Okay, forgot to say that.
Nice push by Sasha. Oh no.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. I don't know if you have any idea what number it is. You know, Hannah and Christy both stole my favorite numbers. Yeah. Maybe I'll become a time. Unless, do you remember if you put a number down for me?
Yeah, nice block by Brett.
Blackout or whiteout? I know. Blackout.
You could destroy it. No, I didn't. No, I didn't run so well. I got a new PSP.
So, did you guys hear the new rules? They changed the PSP
Oh,
rules
worked
to
out
allow
for
for
it.
writing your last name on the back?
Seriously?
Yeah.
That's cool. Well, they should have. Why wouldn't you? What if your last name doesn't fit on that? Shorten it.
Your first name's Minnie and your last name's Tetris? That should work.
But you know what? That's stupid in that, like, Hendrickson wouldn't fit on. If we had not put this here and put that there, then we could have put nameplates there.
That just happened.
No, but that's like dumb. There's nowhere to put a last name on this. No, right here. Canada doesn't have to be there. So you put the nameplate there and you put Canada here. That would make way more sense. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Oh,
I was gonna tie it.
Your boat. Thanks for warning me first. Your boat was up
You should have two-handed that.
Yeah, totally.
He was thinking it.
You might have to move the bookcase. You alright, Meg? Megan? You good? Hey, Scott. Scott Allen. Do you have a boat I could borrow? Or are you getting on right away? No, you have to send it. Oh, it's right there. Do you think we should grab our stuff? We're going to bring it over to the boat. Yes.
Okay, Sean, will you watch your PFDs? I'll let myself come back and then I'll watch PFDs.
Well, you can go grab your stuff, Sean.
That works too. Why are you keeping it on?
I don't know what to do.
Nice, Sasha. Sasha with the tie.
Right, defense, ready! Outside goal! Trap, really hard. Pick up the shot.
Whose name's Christine? I assume you'll all be a mess.
Get trapped, right!
Oh.
And Cottonwood B should be getting...